SWIT introduces the groundbreaking NDI EFP multi-camera production system with the camera adapters, intercom control panel, and support for up to 4K 60p video connections via NDI high bandwidth. It's packed with features like tally lights, PoE power support, and versatile monitoring options. So, Philip, tell me about this.
So it's interesting. NDI is not a SMPTE standard, and there's sort of a pushback, I guess, on the SMPTE side. But we're seeing more and more product sets, and something like this is actually kind of exciting because it's not just a NDI encoder. It truly is sort of an infrastructure play. So they've built the encoder, they've built the tally system, the comm system, all onto it. So it makes it very, very simple for somebody like a house of worship or a small university or even high school to be able to produce what could be considered, professional quality video over an NDI system, not requiring, very expensive 10 gig and 100 gig switches. So it's interesting to see. It's coming from SWIT, who primarily was a battery company for a long time, and they've started to branch out and build other product sets. So we'll see where this goes. Now we just, it'd be nice if we could see them sort of get adopted into SMPTE 2110-22, I believe, for compressed video. But there are some differences around the way NDI works versus the way SMPTE works. But if they can iron those out, I think it's a great technology, especially for smaller organizations and for distribution purposes within a facility.
So we talk a lot about making video and visuals and cameras more accessible. What makes this different to some of the other things that we talk about?
Well, one is it's not outrageously expensive. It allows you to get into IP video by placing this pack on the back of a camera or attaching it to a plate, and it just allows you now to have IP-based video as an infrastructure. They provide all the tools for it, and it just uses standard off-the-shelf, 1 gigabit routers or switches. So it really does make it very easy for somebody to set up a multi-camera professional shot, especially at, high schools and smaller colleges and corporate environments. This is, I think, going to be a great tool.